Good afternoon, everyone. We are Glucose Patrol, here to present to you financial modeling and help make it rain for Jerry the Bear. After speaking with industry professionals, our group decided that a price ceiling for Jerry the Bear was $200 per unit. At a price point of $200 per unit, we see Jerry the Bear hitting profitability in year 3. Upon the start of year 5, we believe that Jerry the Bear should switch to a subscription-based model. In order to effectively charge a rate of $30 per unit, Jerry needs to create value as well as loyalty amongst its consumer base.
So we believe that Sproutel's target market should be helicopter parents rather than large organizations like hospitals or pharmaceutical companies. And as we define, these helicopter parents are the ones who pay extreme amount of attention to their children. And what they want is data, benefits to both the child and parents, and long-term success about what they get. And we believe that this should be the target market because the Sproutel can go to these parents directly and explain the value of Jerry, and these parents are the ones who are most likely to understand the benefits of them. And besides that, these parents are the ones who are financially capable of providing Jerry to their children, and they are the ones who look for information constantly. And we came up with 2 different groups for reaching these parents. One of them is the online, and this part includes blogs, social media, and all these online communities. And the offline part includes support groups and play groups, and these will be explained further in our presentation.
So Sproutel needs to tailor their direct online presence to helicopter parents. The website in particular needs to be focused on e-commerce, and the an information page needs to be added to help with SEO optimization. Now, the website needs to clearly explain to parents what type of information Jerry is providing them, how they can use this information to care for their children, and what type of benefits Jerry offers their children long-term in terms of managing their diabetes. Additionally, Sproutel needs to keep helicopter parents in mind when it's managing its social media accounts. It needs to focus its information on promoting Jerry and providing diabetes-specific information that the parents will find useful. Now, the type 1 diabetes community is very tight-knit, and word of mouth is extremely important. Sproutel needs to work on working with key influencers in the social media, blogging, and other online communities, and let them work with Jerry and test out Jerry, and then provide comments and posts to help their influence.
So not only do they need to create an online presence, they also need to create an offline presence. And we think that they should go through 2 channels, one being the support groups, which I'll discuss right now, and the second being play groups, which I will discuss in a few minutes. The first is support groups. Support groups are very tight-knit communities where people understand if their child has diabetes that there are other people out there and they are looking for support, help, and guidance in managing their child's diabetes. One of the things that we found was a major theme throughout all of our research where these parents are desperate for data on how their child is dealing with this disease and understanding how to take care of themselves. So Jerry could be the perfect element for this entire community because he provides the data that these parents are needing right now. The second group is the play group. Play groups are also a tight-knit community. They're very well established, and they are full of children who have diabetes, and parents involve their children in these programs because they are also desperate for their children not to feel alone. And so we think that Jerry the Bear would be a great installation in these groups because they would be able to not only give the data to the parents, but also make these kids not feel alone, both in and out of the support group setting.
So we recommend Jerry meetups as the best way to reach these parents. We think that it's important to have a cross between network marketing and pharma marketing. So Sproutel will be identifying these parents that are looking for this kind of support and use the already existing networks to reach them. These are parents who are involved and are talking to each other, wanting to find the best information that exists. And the best place to find that is through one another. So in conclusion, we think it's best to price Jerry at $200 for the first 5 years, then switch to a subscription model of $30 a year. We think an online and an offline presence is extremely important, and we think Jerry Meetups is the best way to get in touch with these folks. Thank you.